How's it going? Welcome back to the channel. So we're back here at the farm again, so the in-laws hobby farm, and I thought I'd do just a little bit of an update on what I'm doing. Now, got the trailer here in the background. There's a little bit going on back here at the moment, but that's not what I'll show you first. So I'll show you first, we'll go around the front and I'll show you what I've been at the moment. Got here a drawbar extension. Now, people love to be experts on welding and everything, so I'm not going to show you super close up, but I've just done a 300mm extension here. I'm going to put a better hitch on there. Now, I'm no expert welder, but I've stitched this up the best that I can, and I'm confident it'll do the job. It's not a professional job, not super pretty, but I'm confident it's got the strength in it to do what I need it to do. Sure there'll be one or two people give me a roasting in the comments, but hey, you know what, that's alright. I've already said I'm not an expert here, and I've just done a bit of research on how I do it, and whilst it's not pretty, I believe I've welded it in the right spots. Anyway, this is what's happening on the back. So I'm doing a swing away spare tyre carrier, but first I need to build a rear bar. So 40mm square hollow section around the bottom for the brackets here and here, and then a big 50mm square hollow section across the back. Now it is too long at the moment at the ends, here and here. I'm not sure about this bracketry at the side here, that's just tacked on over here. It kind of needs that because, I mean, you got like 30 kilos of wheel hanging off the back. I don't trust just having these two here. Now I look at all the other off-road caravans, they literally only have these two bars here, and I reckon you'd have a lot of oscillation, like a lot of vibration through there. Don't trust it, so I'm putting a bracket here. Now it's not pretty, but behind here is the main structural post, so internal post. So coming up to there, a couple of bolts. I'm just going to angle cut that probably, just to make it look a bit nicer, and I'm going to probably just use that as a step as well. So might add a little bit of metal plate, but it's going to be cut a bit shorter here. I'm just not cutting it now because I'm going to hang the bearing sort of off the edge here, so the arm can come past the tail lights. So the pivot arm, the upright, will just sit just outside those tail lights, and then we'll have them like this. Is just a piece, but we'll have probably a piece of 40 go across here and up to the hub of the wheel, and then I'll have a number plate. I'll probably just try and sit the number plate in the same spot. Sorry about all the zooming that's going on here. Probably sit the number plate in the same spot. That's a bit better, isn't it? Just on the carrier, and the wheel will sit like up around here, and then maybe, see how we go, water carrier there somewhere as well, 20 litre water carrier. But yeah, it'll swing away that way, and then hopefully double as a table as well. Yeah, have a look. And I keep saying this all the time, I'm no professional welder, but I'm doing it the best that I can DIY. I'm sure I'll be criticised, but you know what, you got to give it a try, and I'll overkill everything, so just to be on the safe side. anyway, that's all for now. If you like DIY backyard jobs on building trailers and modifications on full drives and cars and that, please subscribe, check out my videos, and I'm open to constructive criticism and comments. Thanks. See you for now.